The MSMBA changed my life for the better because I created these relationships that are going to make me grow, not only professionally, but as a person.
The things that make the Purdue MSMBA program unique to me are the way it's structured and the fact that it's partly online, it's partly on campus. You have 2 residencies at IU, you have 2 residencies at Purdue, and then you have 1 residency that's overseas.
There is something really important that I learned and I experienced in this MSMBA program, and was the opportunity to share with international students. It is quite different to read and know about things that happen around the globe, and there is another thing to experience, see it and hear it from somebody who comes from other country.
My capstone project was probably the biggest project that I've personally ever done in my career. And it wasn't just academic, it was a real project that we actually used.
The flexibility of the MSMBA program played a huge role in my decision because with my work at the time, I was on the road a lot, so I needed a flexible program that didn't require me to be in specific spots to complete the coursework.
I work for Nestle, the largest food company in the world. We have 400,000 employees. There are people I work with who I will never meet in person. So being able to work virtually within the Purdue program is a fantastic preparation for the way that the world works today anyway. It also helped us because we were all doing our own jobs and we were all immersed in real life activities every day. So we weren't in a little bubble of being on campus and only living in a student academia world. We were living real life every day, and we could share those experiences and best practices across the cohort so that every single day we could use something that we had learned from one of our cohort members in our everyday life.
Doing the MSMBA program gives you access to a whole bunch of people that are way more qualified than you are, and then they all feel the same way. On top of that, you learn a skill set that empowers you to learn something on Monday and apply it on Tuesday afternoon at work. I mean, it's immediate applicability into the job that you do, so that your return on investment in terms of time and in terms of money is unparalleled.
So when I was looking for a program, I really didn't need the degree, I needed the education. And I started to take another program before I went to Purdue, and it just wasn't difficult enough. I needed something that I could really sink my teeth into and that gave me more than I already knew. And the Purdue program was hard, but it also raised the bar for me as far as what I could expect from myself.
Participating in the MSMBA program has laid a great foundation for success in my professional life. Being in the agriculture industry and with the MS side being agricultural focused, we were able to take learnings from the classroom and directly apply them to what I was doing on a daily basis, whether it be what's happening in trade or macroeconomic trends. All that stuff was directly applicable to what I was doing. On the MBA side, getting that business and strategic foundation has really been helpful as I look at effectiveness of programs that we're doing and long-term trends of where the industry and where my sector of the industry is going to be focused going forward.
When I was deciding among MBA programs, the MSMBA program was the only program that checked all of my boxes.
Purdue MSMBA program changed my life for the better because I literally would not have the job I have today if I didn't have this degree.